Hello lovelies, welcome to my channel. I want to especially thank all our new and existing viewers. Thank you for being a great support. Today in this tutorial we are going to be doing white buttercream. I'll first give you the ingredients and the procedures in the first two slides, and then I'll be showing you how to cover this cake just the way I did from the beginning to the end. So let's go there. So in these first two slides are the ingredients and the procedure for how I made my buttercream. So read it carefully and then do yours. So the next thing we are going to be doing is trimming our cakes. I trim my cakes for even buttercream or for whatever I need to do. I trim my cakes. That is the key to having a perfectly shaped looking cake. Okay, so just watch how I do my thing. Let's go there. Trimming cakes is a great thing to do to your cakes before you start because they give you a professional look. There are various ways of trimming your cakes. Please tell me in the comment section below what you use. Are you team knife, team grater, team acrylic disc? Please let me know in the comment section below. So if this is your first time of being on my channel and you like what you're seeing, please look below and click on the subscribe button. Also, remember, don't forget to click on the notification bell so that you always know when we post awesome videos like this. We are all about cake decoration, wafer paper art, wafer paper decoration. We just love caking it. Also, please don't forget to give us a thumbs up, drop your comments and share these videos with your friends. There is joy in sharing.